na si Polly, sobrang bilis ng panahon. And it's my first time out of the house. Nandito kami ngayon sa TGS Studio dahil 1-month photo shoot si Polly. Anyway, I was up all night breastfeeding, so medyo konti lang ang tulog ko, kaya medyo kahit papaano parang feeling mo restless ka. But I'm slowly getting better, and what I do now is that I take supplements which are easy to take and which helps me not just at night but also during the day. This is not sponsored, but this is something that I have discovered and I really wanted to share with you. This SKJN Collagen Micro Tablets. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kasi naramdaman ko talaga yung effects niya sa katawan ko and the way I live. Maliit lang yung tablet niya compared dun sa ibang brands. So, it's very convenient, easy to take, and I take this before I sleep para kahit konti lang yung tulog mo, diba? Fresh ka pa rin paggising mo. And then when I wake up, I feel that my skin is really glowing, and tinitake ko rin to pagkagising ko para moisturize and healthy yung skin ko. Kahit na minsan konti lang yung tulog ko. So, to all the moms out there who are looking for a convenient way to take care of your skin, I highly recommend SKJN Collagen Micro Tablets. So, yun lang. May bago kasi akong discovery na sana makatulong din sa inyo. And you wanna feel fresh and glowing kahit papaano. This will really help. Kailangan din natin alagaan yung sarili natin bago natin alagaan yung pamilya natin, hindi ba? So, yun lang. Thank you. Bye!